Hey, Mom. Guess what we're doing? Look at everything is out of the greenhouse, and everything is out. I need to spray these peas again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it work when you first did it? Any difference?
I'm not sure I see a difference, so I'm not sure what's going on. I might dust it with that powder and spray it. I mean, it's just copper. It's not like it's not like a pesticide or something.
Do it in reverse.
Spray
and then powder.
And then powder?
Because if you powder and then spray, you're just going to spray the powder right off it.
Yeah, you're right. Duh.
Yeah. And the water will help the powder stick even better. Right?
Yeah, right.
I mean,
yeah.
You know, but
yeah.
You know.
So excited. A lot of peas are ready to pick. Mmm, nom nom nom. Garlic's almost ready. Almost. Oh, let me show you something. I did pull some garlic yesterday from last year. Alright, let's go. Whew. We've been measuring and cutting and installing, and I'm just, whew, I'm wore out. I'm about to go pick up Bella. She's ready to come home. She's been gone all summer. Anyways, this is garlic that I put in last year and ignored. Didn't water, didn't anything. And then towards the end, I started watering it. But, yeah, these probably could have stayed in a little bit longer, for sure. And maybe I'll replant these. But these are soft neck, so they're not going to store long. I'm looking forward to the hard neck that we got going. So, anyways, isn't that cool? Yeehaw! Alright, so let me flip you around. So, there you are. Anyways, that's it for now, Mom. I just wanted to give you a little update on the greenhouse. We've been really busy trying to pull dead plants out, and you know, I got some of my hollyhocks planted, and building up this you know, the flooring for my greenhouse. I'm so excited. Anyways, I should be able to put all my stuff back in today, or, you know, certainly by tomorrow morning. Yeah, so that's it. Love you, Mom. Have a great day. Bye.